What up, everybody? Welcome back to Knott's Network vlog. We are 6 weeks away from Knott's Scary Farm. I'm back at the farm. I'm riding solo today, here to get some Scary Farm updates, and we are on the second day without reservations here at Knott's. The park doesn't look so crowded yet, at least, but you know, lots of school groups, it looks like, are showing up today, but that's normal for the middle of the week. And yeah, it's nice though. I'm having fun here so far. Park opened just a few minutes ago, or about 15 minutes ago. But hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for this video, hit that bell to get notified, because we're going to come here a lot to get you updates on all the Scary Farm build. Today there's a lot going on. Behind me, I don't know if you can see it right there, that's a maze. Origins, I believe. It's been a whole year without Scary Farm. It's sad, but it's gonna be awesome this year. Can't wait for the haunt season to start again, y'all. So, I'm gonna say hi to Snoopy. And look at this. Pumpkin Eater is being built or set up before they start putting it on the outside. Cool. Scary Farm is 6 weeks away, y'all. I'd be cool with this thing here the whole time. I think it's cool. Even if it's not like the real thing, it's still cool to me. Let's go see if we could spot some Scary Farm build over yonder. Wilderness Dance Hall. Last time we checked, it was just wood, but I think there's probably progress this time around. Ooh, there's wood, all right. Walls are up. Let's zoom in on that action. This camera. There we go. Scary Farm maze at the Wilderness Dance Hall. I'm on the Calico Railroad. I'm sitting in the open air gondola, because it's not that hot today. Get a nice good bird's eye view, or not bird's eye view, but good views of the park from this seat. Let me flip the camera. 1, 2, 3.
That's a funny looking gun you got, Bill.
It's a pea shooter. Cool shots of the engine from over here. Ooh, I like this angle. We hope y'all like this angle too. More progress on the new maze. Cool. They're even building it right now. If you guys caught that. Hunt build team. Making sure we get a cool maze. 6 weeks to go, guys. 6 weeks to go. Forsaken Lake Scare Zone. They've already gotten the light totems up. You can see right there they've added extra lights, strobe lights, LED washes, and ellipsoidals. Getting ready. Accelerator's not open yet either. Oh wait, the sky cabin's open. I'll go on that real quick, get a bird's eye view of the new maze. Ow, that was loud. Sky cabin-ness. Oh, there's a line, little line.
Very far, and the entire crew, welcome aboard the Sky Cabin. We will be cruising at an altitude of 180 feet for a panoramic view of Orange County. Please remain seated until we reach our cruising altitude. Once there, if you choose to stand during our flight, then please hold on to the handrail located directly in front of you. May we remind you that this is a non-smoking flight, so smoking is prohibited. Please prepare for gate departure.
Go, baby.
We begin our ascent today on an Orange County landmark that has been flying guests over Knott's Berry Farm since 1976. The Sky Cabin, which you are currently riding, was originally built in Switzerland and transported in several sections through the Panama Canal to Knott's Berry Farm and has been soaring ever since. We would like to now direct your attention to outside the window as we tell you some of the sights you will see. To the south, you will see Hang Time, which takes riders up a 15-story lift hill and suspends them at the top before descending down a 96-degree drop. To the east, you will see many sights within our Ghost Town, Fiesta Village, and Camp Snoopy areas. That mountain range, for instance, is our Timber Mountain Log Ride. It was the first themed log flume ride when it opened in 1969 and remains to this day one of our most popular attractions. Just beyond those tall pine trees is where you'll be able to set up camp with the Peanuts Gang. Camp Snoopy, which opened in 1983, was the first theme park area that was dedicated to children under 12 years of age. In the distance, you can see an ancient Aztec temple, which is our Jaguar attraction, a family roller coaster that sends passengers on an exciting tour around Fiesta Village, through the loop of Montezuma's Revenge, and around Reflection Lake. Speaking of Montezuma's Revenge, it opened on May 25th, 1978, making it Knott's Berry Farm's longest-standing roller coaster. Montezuma's Revenge is an exciting ride that catapults passengers out of the station at 55 miles per hour. After a moment of weightlessness, the train zooms down the tower backwards, goes back through the loop, and passes through the station up a second 112-foot tower, then back down the tower into the station. Just to the north, you'll see Accelerator, a high-speed 1950s themed roller coaster that uses a hydraulic launch system to catapult guests from 0 to 82 miles per hour in 2.3 seconds, up and over a 205-foot hill and a series of hairpin turns, all in under 22 seconds. To the west is the Boardwalk Bay, which features our family coasters, Coast Rider, Pacific Scrambler, and Surfside Gliders, on which riders pilot their own two-person aircraft for a scenic view of the Boardwalk Bay. cleared to land at Knott's Berry Farm's boardwalk. Please make sure you have collected all luggage and personal belongings you may have brought on board. If you require assistance exiting the Sky Cabin, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have exited. One of our crew members will then be pleased to assist you. On behalf of Knott's Berry Farm and the entire crew, we are looking forward to seeing you on board again in the near future. Have a nice day.
Bigfoot. I wonder what's the future for Mystery Lodge. It's been closed for a long time. I don't know what's wrong with it. Whoa, there's an old school speaker over there. That's old school. It's probably been here since the freaking attraction opened. Oh, and there's a newer one right there. Oh yeah, I'm an AV tech, so I noticed that stuff. I'm a dork. This looks cool though. I like this area. Ooh, there's baby fish in there. There we go. Some fishes. Oh, they got a sign over here. It even says Mystery Lodge is currently closed. Okay, I am. Let me flip the camera. Yeah, you know, it's a little crazy in there. Like, it's not super crowded. It's just like there's not, you know, a ton of staff to man the demand of all these people here. So every line, like for food right now, is oof, and it's too hot. So I'm like, you know what? I will go get food somewhere else. It's all good. I'm now in the marketplace looking at. I'm gonna check out Virginia's gift shop, see what kind of stuff I can sink my hands into. Alright guys, I am taking off. Just wanted to get you all a quick Scary Farm update and see what the crowds looked like. There's still a good amount of people coming in right now. Got me a tote with all the berry jams on it. Yeah, these are nice tote bags. Very strong canvas. Anyways, thanks guys for joining me on this little quick journey of some Scary Farm updates and crowd situations now that reservations are gone. It's not that bad. Not as bad as I've seen it a few weeks ago, but it's all good. We're slowly getting back to normal here. Anyways, if you haven't, hit that like button if you like this video. It really helps us out a lot, guys. Huge shout out to our Patreon supporters, Tom and Albert. Thank you guys. And yeah, you know, thanks for joining me. See you next week.